Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Phantom like a pro. First, ensure you download the official Phantom browser extension. Once installed, create a new wallet and carefully write down your 12-word seed phrase. Store this phrase in a secure, offline location. Finally, connect your wallet to decentralized applications by approving the connection request when prompted. This initial setup is crucial for secure use. Now, let's explore some advanced features. You can stake your Solana tokens directly within Phantom to earn rewards, choosing from various validators. The wallet also allows you to create and manage multiple separate accounts, which is great for organizing your assets. Furthermore, use the integrated in-app browser for safer interactions with decentralized applications, reducing risks. Security is paramount when using any crypto wallet. Always keep your 12-word seed phrase and private keys absolutely confidential. Be extremely cautious of phishing scams and never click on suspicious links. Regularly review the permissions you've granted to decentralized applications and revoke any that are no longer needed. Staying informed is your best defense. If you encounter issues, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies, which often resolves loading problems. For more complex issues, Phantom's official support documentation is an excellent resource with detailed guides. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's a fantastic way to keep your space clean effortlessly. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.